My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of pop-ups that are associated with the site acclaimupdatephone.online. Some people may see these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome and other browser, even though these pop-ups claim that they are related to Android operating system, but these pop-ups may also attack Windows computers and Mac computers and the related browsers. These pop-ups by acclaimupdatephone.online try to make you click on this allow button, and if people do that by mistake, their browser gets hijacked with annoying advertisements that will be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, it was definitely a mistake and you need to fix it by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, then site settings, go down to permissions area and select notifications. So pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this acclaimupdatephone.online, you should remove it from the list. This should fix the issue very well. I also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.